Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car came in with the wrong drain plug, a dented oil pan, and this beautiful custom-made design. And this car came in for an oil change, but the mechanic found that it missed the oil cap and was 3.5 quarts low on engine oil. This customer came into the shop because their car broke down while they were driving on the highway. And this customer had installed new LED fender lights by themselves, but had zip-tied the wiring to the suspension. The mechanic said that the customer had apparently tried replacing the oil by themselves for the first time. This customer's Volvo was eager to be fixed. Apparently the securing strap on the tow truck had snapped just as it was tilted to drop off the car. Customer states, "My brake pedal won't ever get firm." Customer states, "Something's wrong with my engine, the engine light keeps coming on." And this customer had jump started their car, but had done it backwards. This forklift last out of service 15 months ago. Not only was the air filter this pretty, but the engine was apparently 4 liters low on engine oil. And this customer came in because they had just purchased this car the night before and forgot to bring a flashlight. The previous owner had stated mint condition, and the customer ended up paying over $9,000 for this. This mechanic had this car in the shop for an oil change when he started hearing a meowing sound from underneath the car. This customer came in because their car kept going into limp mode after they had installed a new sound system on their own. This customer apparently came in and said, "Don't try to rip me off, I just need new oil and a filter." This customer said that they think there's an animal living underneath their vehicle and asked the mechanics to have a look. This car came in with a fuel leak, and the technician found a missing O-ring for the fuel pump, and the lock ring was also loose. And this customer complains about their car starting up but then turns off right away. Customer states, "Grinding noise coming from underneath my car." And this customer came in saying that their air vents needed fixing or they have to apply for a flying permit. Customer states, "My car has starting issues." And this customer states, "I hit a big rock." And this customer had issues with their AC not working properly.
Well, that was easy.
And this customer complained about the front of their car making a clunking sound while turning. Customer states, "My car is limping and I needed to stop." And this customer had their power steering fixed recently, but still complains about the wheel feeling kinda heavy. This shaft came off of a truck where the customer complained about slight vibration. And this customer stated that they hit a nail, but their ex-husband fixed it, but the car still has a bad vibration while driving. This Chevy Tahoe came in for a transmission replacement, but when the mechanic went to pull the transfer case off, he discovered a little treat inside. And this customer came in with some engine issues, but stated that the previous owner had put a new engine in only 10,000 miles ago. This car drove to the shop in this state. The customer apparently declined all repairs and it ended up leaving on a tow truck. And this customer came in for a filter change, but did not mention anything about this. And this customer needed their console lid replaced.
Let's see. Oh. Yeah, I guess it do kind of look like a ball sack.
This car came in with a transmission issue, but it ended up being so severe that the mechanic recommended the customer to get a used one and just replace it instead. This customer states, "Whenever I spray my windshield, it goes anywhere but there."
Oh.
And this customer came in because they had just bought this vehicle on an auction spontaneously and wanted the mechanic to make sure everything looked fine underneath. Tell me a hometown taxi just rolled in without telling me a hometown taxi just rolled in. Customer states, oil is leaking from underneath the vehicle. This customer came in with her BMW because her ex-husband had done some work on it. Apparently, he had somehow managed to fill the radiator with engine oil. The customer declined all repairs and said that she had to call her ex-husband first. The owner of this car came in because they couldn't see the mileage on their dashboard.
Right here.
This customer last had their oil changed 51,000 miles ago, despite having a prepaid maintenance plan. And this customer stated that their car wouldn't stop overheating, so they just kept driving. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.